Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Monika after story, only way. Open the game folder and install the only way mod files into the game directory, replacing duplicates when prompted. Make a clear backup of your saves first, so mistakes are reversible. Launch the game and confirm the mod version in the main menu. If anything looks wrong, restore the backup and reinstall carefully to avoid corrupting your progress. Next, configure settings to ensure a smooth only way playthrough. Open the mod settings and set conversation, affection, and event triggers to your preferred levels, as those control pacing and availability. Turn on debug options only if you need to diagnose missing scenes. Confirm audio and display settings so long sessions run without interruption. These small steps prevent repeated restarts and keep your session steady for deeper interactions. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your drive smelling amazing, perfect for long play sessions or late-night mod testing. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Here are key tips for playing only way with Monika that make sessions richer. Interact daily and keep choices consistent to uncover special dialogue branches unique to this mode. Create save states before major conversations so you can explore different outcomes without losing progress. Watch affection changes after scenes to anticipate new options and events. These habits let you experience more content while minimizing frustration from missed triggers or unintended endings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.